A very warm and pleasant good morning to everyone. Today I, Aradhya Singh, student of BBM third year, present here to discuss a topic that is balance of trade. Before moving to the slides, I would like to thank you, Anil sir, for his guidance and support. Now let's start with the PPT. The topics that we are going to discuss here is balance of trade, components of balance of trade, types of balance of trade, factors affecting balance of trade, and effects of balance of trade. Now, what is balance of trade? Balance of trade है क्या? Balance of trade is the difference between a country's exports and imports over a specific period. Balance of trade है क्या? Balance of trade एक कंट्री के इंपोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट का डिफरेंस है. ये कंट्री कितना एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा है और कितना इंपोर्ट कर रहा है. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ट्रेड बैलेंस और मर्चेंडाइज ट्रेड बैलेंस. इसको हम लोग ट्रेड बैलेंस भी बोलते हैं और मर्चेंडाइज ट्रेड बैलेंस भी बोलते हैं. Now, components of balance of trade. There are basically three components of balance of trade, that is export, imports and trade balance. Export होता क्या है? Goods and services sold to other country. जो goods and services जो हम लोग दूसरे country में sold करते हैं उसको हम लोग export करते हैं. Import, goods and services bought from other countries. जो goods और services हम लोग दूसरे country से अपने country में लाते हैं उसको हम लोग import कहते हैं. एंड ट्रेड बैलेंस, एक्सपोर्ट्स माइनस इम्पोर्ट्स. जितना हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट किए हैं और जितना हम लोग इम्पोर्ट किए हैं उसका जो डिफरेंस आता है उसको हम लोग बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड कहते हैं. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड. देयर आर बेसिकली थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड, दैट इज ट्रेड सरप्लस, ट्रेड डिफिसिट एंड बैलेंस्ड ट्रेड. Trade surplus, when you said it is trade surplus, when export is more than import, then we call it trade surplus. Trade deficit, when import is more than export, we call it trade deficit. And when it is balanced trade, when export is equal to import, then it is balanced trade. Now, factors affecting balance of trade. Now we will know what are the factors that affect the balance of trade. There are some factors that are exchange rate, tariffs and trade policies, economic growth and inflation, global demand and supply. Now, what are the effects of balance of trade? There are basically two effects that affects the balance of trade, that is trade surplus and trade deficit. In trade surplus, increase foreign exchange reserves, strengthen currency, boost economic growth, and in trade deficit, decrease foreign exchange reserves, weakens currency and slow economic growth. That's all. Thank you.